Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Sometimes we forget our PC password or crash Windows. After crashing Windows or forgetting password, how can we get data from computer or laptop? I will show you easily. We will need two pen drive for backup data. Need blank pen drive and Windows bootable pen drive. We will insert those two pen drive like this. I am pressing F12 for the boot menu of Dell laptop. Press the boot menu key according to your laptop model. Here you see bootable pen drive, select and enter. Next, repair your computer, troubleshoot, advanced option, system image recovery, Windows, cross or close. Next, advanced, install driver. OK. You entered into the PC and click this PC and select C drive, username. Here you will find out your data location. I'm going to backup. Just copy and select your backup pen drive and paste. You will do one by one, otherwise not work. OK, complete. If you want another one, you will go to the location and copy. You can backup folder or file. Anyhow, you will copy just and paste to the backup pen drive. You will backup same process. You can backup all the data from your hard drive. Looks like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.